People who are going, welcome back to my channel. The Diamond League finals will be this coming Wednesday and Thursday in Zurich. So Shelly Fraser Price confirmed that she will be competing in the women's 100-meter race. Other athletes include Shericka Jackson, Shakari Richardson, Daryl Nita, Talo, Kambunji, Titi Terry, and Alia Hobbs. Now, Shirley and Fraser Price was unbeaten until the last Diamond League meet. Shericka Jackson won the race. So people are saying that Shirley and Fraser Price will seek revenge. Shericka Jackson, on the other hand, said she is determined to win the 100-meter race and the 200-meter race as well. She said she's going for both titles. She said she wants both titles. She wants both trophies. And the $30,000, which is different from the appearance fee. And moreover, so she wants to become the 5th woman to win a Diamond League double in the same year. So she said she is pretty much determined to win both titles. So this coming Thursday, I think the 100-meter race will take place on Thursday about 1:30 p.m. Jamaica time on Flow. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Bless up every time. Walk good.